Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login Aid. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to disable Yahoo Finance notification. When you disable your Yahoo Finance notification, you won't be receiving any kind of notification related to Yahoo Finance topics. To do that, first open your Yahoo Finance application on your mobile phone. Now make sure that you are logged into your account. Now here you'll be taken to home. Now tap on account option on down right corner. Then here you can see settings on top. Tap on settings. Now here you can see notification setting on top. Tap on notifications. Now here you can see different types of notifications that Yahoo Finance provides you with, like market data alerts, portfolio and subscriptions, news and events. Now here you can selectively choose what kind of notifications that you want to disable. For example, if I don't want to receive notifications regarding high or low prices, then tap on the small notch near high or low prices. With this, any kind of notifications regarding the market price being high or low won't appear on my Yahoo Finance. You can do this to different kind of notifications feature on your Yahoo Finance. With this, you will be able to selectively choose what kind of notifications that you want to receive and what kind of notifications that you want to disable. Now, if you don't want to receive any notifications from Yahoo Finance, then on the top here you can see notification sounds option. Tap on notification sounds. Then it will directly take you to mobile settings of Yahoo Finance notification. Here you can change the notification setting however you like. For example, if you don't want floating notifications from Yahoo Finance, then you can tap on the small notch near floating notifications. Similarly, you can change different notification setting. Now to disable the Yahoo Finance notification completely, tap on a small notch near show notifications. With this, all the Yahoo Finance notifications will be disabled. As you can see here, all the Yahoo Finance notification feature has been disabled, and I won't be able to receive Yahoo Finance notification on my mobile phone. This is how we can disable Yahoo Finance notification. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you like today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.